Hello traders, in this video I would like to discuss the psychological aspects of trading. Trading psychology is an uncomfortable subject that not many discuss because it exposes our weaknesses as human beings, such as the fear of failure or even worse, the fear of success. And social media traders will readily share with you their P&L screenshots and lifestyle pictures, but none discuss their failures. Their purpose is to encourage you to join their signal groups, use their referral links, or simply to gain online clout. The impression they create is that trading is easy money and losses are something that happens to other people. The problem is that this doesn't prepare you to become a trader or give you the tools to overcome the difficulties inherent to this profession or suggest tools to overcome them. In this and upcoming videos, I will discuss the mental challenges of the trading profession and try to give you and me the tools to overcome them. The trading challenges haven't changed from the days of the stock tickers and paper trading. Because of that, I decided to revive the words of past traders such as W.D. Gann and Jesse Livermore and others, and I will let them show us the way. I'm also considering uploading a trade occasionally, not as a signal, but as an opportunity for us as a community to learn from success or failure. If I go through with this idea, I offer and expect a frank and respectful discussion to help and uplift each other. If you are interested in this learning experience, write it in the comments, please. Okay, now let's begin. And I will begin with the dark side of trading, with a few uncomfortable truths that I pulled from the Trade City internet page. And it goes as follows: 80% of day traders quit within the first 2 years. Among day traders, nearly 40% trade for only 1 month. Within 3 years, only 13% continue to day trade. After 5 years, only 7% remain. Other uncomfortable truths. Investors tend to sell winning investments while holding on to their losing investments. This is important, and we will discuss the reasons why in a future video. The average individual investor underperforms a market index by 1.5% per year. Active traders underperform by 6.5% annually. Investors with a large differential between their existing economic conditions and their aspiration levels hold riskier stocks in their portfolios. This is doubly true when we are discussing cryptocurrency. The first question you need to answer for yourself is trading the right profession for you? Now, the question, in my opinion, before I will offer you Jesse Livermore's words, let me ask you a question. Why are you into trading? Are you into trading just for the money, or do you love the process? Do you love going over charts, analyzing, looking for setups, executing setups? Because if you don't like this trade, if it doesn't make you feel good, if it doesn't pull you, there are thousands of other ways to make money. The trading is not the only opportunity to make money, okay? Now, let's go over what Jesse wrote. The game of speculation is the most uniformly fascinating in the world, but it is not a game for the stupid, the mentally lazy, the men of inferior emotional balance, the get rich quick adventurer. They will die poor. Okay? Now let's go over each subject. The stupid. Look, if you are watching this video, you are not stupid. Okay? And the only stupid person is the person that is not willing to learn from his mistakes and improve himself. If you're willing to learn from your mistakes and to improve as a human being first and as a trader second, then if you are willing to do that, you are not stupid, okay? You are actually very smart. The mentally lazy. Why is the mentally lazy? Because trading requires honesty. It requires you to confront your weaknesses, your shortcomings. It actually forces you to go over all the things that you did wrong and to analyze them logically, in a cold fashion, and to admit your mistakes. And this is not for everyone, okay? The man of inferior emotional balance. You need to understand that in this business, you cannot get emotional. You cannot get ecstatic when you win and depressed when you lose. It has to be the same. It has to be exactly the same, okay? And the fourth is the get rich quick adventurer. This is so true for crypto. So many people YOLO in on a high leverage trade, trying to get money quick, and it doesn't work this way, okay? Now, what does it take to make it in trading? And the list is infinite, okay? But let's hear what Jesse has to say. The fruits of your success will be in direct ratio to the honesty and sincerity of your effort in keeping your records, meaning to document your trades, doing your thinking, and reaching your own conclusions. Guys, this is the reason why I've decided to upload trading tutorials and to upload this video. In the end, the desired aim is that you will be your own man. And social media is built in a way to create a dependency between the creator and his audience. And this is something terrible in my opinion, because the aim is not for you to be dependent on any other person's opinions. You have to be able to chart and to analyze and to fix a setup and to go through with the setup, and you don't need anyone, okay? This is my aim in my small way, in my modest way, to give you the tools to do your thinking and to reach your conclusions, because you will never make it as a trader if you are dependent on other people, okay? Keep in mind that in addition to other important qualities, you also need to have patience, good timing, and risk management skills to achieve success. And we will go over patience, timing, and risk management. And with this, I will wrap up this video, okay? Patience. To invest or speculate successfully, one must form an opinion as to what the next move of importance will be in each stock. However, one must be careful, because people are often unpredictable and full of emotion, and the market comprises of people, okay? People move prices. Good speculators always wait for the market to confirm their judgment. Being a little late in your trade is your insurance that you are right or wrong. Timing. Jesse says you can beat a horse race, but you can't beat the races. Okay? So it is with market operations. There are times when money can be made investing and speculating in stocks, but money cannot consistently be made trading every day or every week during the year. Only the foolhardy will try it. And I think that we are in exactly at this stage in the market right now. The easy money was already picked from 28 to 45 in Bitcoin's price action. Now we are in a corrective phase, and corrective phases are when traders give back their profits if they are not careful. There's a question of timing. You need to be able to hold yourself from trading until you have clarity about the markets, okay? Risk management, of course, and we will talk about it. The speculator must be his insurance broker. The only way he or she, of course, can continue in business is to guard his or her capital account and never permit himself or herself to lose enough to jeopardize his operations at some future date when his market judgment is correct. If you are losing trades or if you have a losing streak, your judgment is faulty, and you should be man enough or woman enough to step down, accept responsibility, and say, okay, my mind isn't right. Now is the time for me to take a break from trading, and don't try to make it all back in one more trade, okay? Because this is gambling, okay? This fits the profile of people with gambling addictions. Be careful, don't fall into this trap, okay? Now, guys, please, let me wrap up. I'm asking you, please, write in the comments if this material is right for you. If you have an experience you want to share with me and with others, please share in the comments, okay? The aim is not for me to make videos and for you to watch the videos and that's it, okay? Because this way we will never learn from each other. I personally, myself, I'm not much. And maybe you are not, I shouldn't say not much, but we are all regular people. But we all have our qualities. And if we pull our resources together, we will create a mastermind. A mastermind is a group of minds pulling all their talents together. And when we become a mastermind, we are unstoppable. You know, until this video, I never ask. I don't ask for comments. I don't ask for likes, because I'm doing everything as a service for the community. But in these videos, it is extremely important for you to comment, to share, okay? Because the aim is for us to create a mastermind group that will together make us unstoppable, okay? Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for staying with me and listening to this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.